Cats. In many families in the countryside, cats help catching mice. It helps reduce damage to your and reduce stress. Chickens. Chicken is a type of poultry that are raised in farms, barns, or yards to get meat, eggs, and sometimes their feathers for food and sell meat on the market. Chicken gives up food, which is meat and egg. They contain a lot of protein and vitamins, which are good for our health. Besides, chicken feather is also used to make shirt, jacket, hat, and keep your body warm. Even chicken waste can be made into fertilizer for plants. This type of fertilizer is suitable for chili plants and some cabbage plants. Pigs. Pig is a good source of food for humans. All of the parts on the pig's body can be used to be made into food. Especially the pork meat is the main ingredient in the food industry. People make it into sausages, bacon. Sheep. The appearance feature of sheep is that they have thick fur and their fur is very soft. Sheep are raised in a certain time and then their fur will be shaven. Sheep's fur is used to make wool. Sheep woolen blanket or jackets or woolen coat that help keep the body warm. Besides, sheep also provide humans with meat, skin, and milk. Lambs and mutton are getting more and more popular and be made into different dishes. Pigeon. Long time ago, when the internet was not yet founded, pigeons help humans stay in contact, exchanging letters. Because they have found it out that pigeons have a special habit, is that they are good at determining the directions. In any situation, they would be able to find their way home. Besides, in the natural habitat, pigeons help eat the insects and rodents that are harmful. They help spreading fruits and seeds for forestry, pollinate the plants. Also, the pigeon's meat contains a lot of nutrition, help improve your health and cure sickness.